Hey, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. It's Matt with MJ Gabel, doing a quick video today to go over our diamond evaluations and what that particularly means, and what the difference is between an evaluation that we do here and an insurance appraisal. So anytime a client wants to work with us and sell a diamond ring, or either sell it to us, consign it, broker it, or have us work with a piece, typically what happens is the piece comes in and we write a very detailed report on what the diamond is, from the weight of it, the type of metal that the diamonds are set in, the type of diamonds. We do fluorescent testing, carat weight, whether they're certified or not, color grade with notes like this one here says, crown's shallow, clarity grade, and then obviously we do physically check every diamond on the piece to make sure that we are getting all the details on a piece, from a worn head or worn prongs. So this is not an appraisal. This doesn't cost you anything. So if you decide to work with us, this is what we do. We take pieces, we will sit down in our lab and go through them to make sure that we're giving the right information back to you. Even if they're certified, GIA and AGS are the only two that will review the report. We'll still verify it by doing millimeter measurements, color, clarity grade, and every piece that comes in and out now gets tested on our CVD machine to make sure that these are authentic diamonds, or they're not lab growns or moissanites, which is very important. So gives you an idea of the background scene here when we get a piece in, how we evaluate it before we get back to you with selling options and price points for the marketplace.